Why do I ask? I said it from a long time ago. My heart can't speak, but I still wanna say it. I try to forget, but the image doesn't disappear. Every night, I don't sleep peacefully. I'm coming again, say I miss you. Even though in the past it was cold who left without a word. I can only stay silent and see you smile. It hurts, but I still love you. Why do I ask? If only you knew this feeling hasn't disappeared, even though I pretend to be far away. Why did you come, disturb a wounded heart? I try to be strong, but it makes me weak. I promised before, tracker makes me cry. Now I have learned that longing can also end. But when I looked at you, my eyes, everyone's back, tears fell without wanting to anymore. Why do I ask? If only you knew this feeling hasn't disappeared, even though I pretend to be far away. Why did you come, disturb a wounded heart? I try to be strong, but it makes me weak. Let time answer later. Giving up, but my heart can't go. If this love is wrong, let me be wrong. Just so you know, I still love you. Why do